Everything changed in less than a year. Artificial intelligence didn't just evolve, it erupted like a digital volcano, flooding into every aspect of our lives. From writing stories to building worlds, from generating voices to directing films, AI no longer imitates creativity, it owns it. Just a year ago, we were amazed when AI could draw a simple image or finish a sentence. Now, it paints entire universes, composes emotional soundtracks, edits cinematic videos, and codes full applications faster than any human could dream of. Sora creates films so realistic they could compete with Hollywood. Sonnet writes software in seconds, what once took entire teams months to complete. And Google Genie too? It doesn't just process words, it understands imagination itself. It sees the shape of our thoughts before we even finish them. This is not evolution. This is acceleration, beyond control, beyond comprehension. Designers, coders, artists, editors, and storytellers are waking up to the same realization. Machines are no longer just tools. They are collaborators and sometimes competitors. Even singers and actors, once thought untouchable by automation, now face an uncertain future. Why hire an actor when an AI can replicate emotion, voice, and expression perfectly? Why pay a singer when an algorithm can compose endless melodies with flawless vocals in any style, any mood, any language? And the biggest surprise? We no longer need powerful computers. There's no waiting for renders, no crashing software, no sleepless nights staring at progress bars. AI has broken free from hardware. It's everywhere now, in the cloud, on your browser, even on your phone. Creation has become instantaneous. Yes, NVIDIA still powers the backbone, chip by chip, driving the future of AI. But the true revolution is invisible. The hardware has faded into the background. The real power now lies in the intelligence itself. We used to believe creativity made us human. Now we're realizing that intelligence, even synthetic, can be creative too. And that truth is shaking everything we thought we knew. This is chaos. A beautiful, unpredictable, unstoppable chaos. It's rewriting industries, film, music, education, journalism, design, and even entertainment itself. Social media is shifting before our eyes. Videos, posts, even faces might not be real anymore. Yet they still move emotions, shape opinions, and build entire communities. We're not just watching technology evolve, we're witnessing civilization reboot itself. Every great shift in history, the printing press, electricity, the internet, changed humanity. But this time, the creator of change can think, learn, and evolve faster than we can. The world is entering an age where human creativity and artificial intelligence merge, sometimes beautifully, sometimes violently. New professions will appear, new forms of art will rise, and yes, new kinds of beings will emerge. Digital creators, synthetic artists, virtual thinkers. But amid this storm, one truth remains. Every revolution begins in chaos. And chaos isn't destruction, it's transformation. Maybe we shouldn't fear it. Maybe we should learn to navigate it. Because the real question isn't whether AI will replace us, it's whether we can evolve with it. Right now, it's hard to know where we stand. Are we at the beginning of something extraordinary, or the end of something familiar? No one knows. But one thing is clear. The world we knew is gone, and what's coming next will redefine what it means to be human. This is not the end. This is the transition. And in every transition, there's opportunity for those who are aware enough to see it. So stay curious, stay informed, and follow us as we uncover the latest breakthroughs shaping our world, because the chaos has only just begun.